Hi guys, happy Sunday. I have good news. One, my computer is fixed. Yay. I have a story time video coming out and I'll tell you all about that. This is not what the video was about today. So you'll hear that. This is about something that was offered to YouTubers, and they've put a lot of handcuffs on the YouTubers. I'm sure you guys have heard everything from no kids videos to no cursing to you have no family friendly, then you can do family friendly as long as it's on certain subjects. They've really put us through the ringer, and it's been very hard. You can't even say moderate or mild potty words without getting into trouble and being demonetized. So they've offered YouTubers a chance to be a little freer and make a little different content with a little more edge on it in the form of paid membership. And a lot of YouTubers that I know are going with that. They're going to put their offer their content to a paid membership. And you get, like, I think 70% of what the video earns, and then 30% goes to YouTube, which is a fair split. I mean, you're using their servers, you're doing, I think that's fair. Now I wanted to tell you about my decision when it comes to this. I love doing YouTube. I can do a video without potty words. I've been doing it for how many years? I do have a channel that I don't post on anymore, but I did use potty words on that one, and I didn't care. This one I care about. I don't need to do topics that are childlike. I don't need to do any of that. I'm happy. When you're happy, like I had an old boss that used to say, if you do what you love to do, you don't work. And while I do get paid on YouTube in the form of sponsored videos, I get my Amazon associates. Every time you guys click a link, it's no expense to you, but I do get a piece of that. And I do make AdSense money. I'm happy. And if there's one thing I've learned in life is the most important thing for any of us is just that feeling of joy and happiness. I know a lot of people are stressed financially. Everybody is. I mean, people are out of work now. Suddenly, people are disabled. Checks are not coming in. Retirement funds are down. It's just a gigantic mess out in that world financially. I am fortunate to be able to say, leave it at the status quo. I don't want to lose you guys. I like you guys. I love you guys. My subscribers are the best, and you mean the most to me. And if it means just losing a few because you can't afford to pay and I can't give it away for free, like I have no ability, if I go to a paid membership, I can't say you get it and you don't. You pay and you don't. It doesn't work that way. So, for now, I'm going to leave my channel alone. You guys can watch my art videos. I will pass on anything that I know to you. And you have to put up with me and my goofy stories and my sit there and talk to you like I'm drinking coffee with you sitting across the table, because that's how I feel too. I mean, a lot of people say that to me. You feel like you just get a cup of coffee and let's sit like friends, And I like that. I like it a lot, because not only do you feel it, but I feel it. I feel like you're sitting like in my kitchen and we're just chatting away. And what brings me joy, I don't want no joy from it. So, as I said, status quo. I'm leaving my channel alone. There will be no paid memberships on my channel. Later on in the future, like down the line, if I do some more heavier vlogs as far as family life, and I decide to go in that direction. Now I do family life light. You see my fish, see my trampoline, you hear some of my goofy stories that I would tell to anybody. I'm not, even if I do something silly, I'm not embarrassed about it. So I'm careful about what I put out there. Even my daughter was watching one of my videos yesterday and said, you don't put anything really that bad on YouTube, because my kids were worried that I was going on YouTube at the beginning. They didn't want it. Definitely not supportive of it, because they didn't want their lives out there. But I guarantee you that if there's any part of my children's lives that I put on YouTube, it's with their permission. They know I'm videotaping them. They know I'm going to put it up there. And in fact, my daughter, Nicole, the middle one, she sends me clips that she knows I'm going to put up on YouTube. So it's definitely okay with them what I do. Anything more personal, I think that they would, object, and I wouldn't subject them to my life as a reality TV. That's for some other people, just not for me. So tomorrow I have a coloring video coming out, and the only reason it didn't come out today is because I have to take a thumbnail picture of it. The video's already done, it's edited. My new computer is working fine. I have the best son-in-law in the world. He's brilliant. Transferred everything over with no problems, and I'm happy. So I will see you guys tomorrow with a tutorial. It's a good one. I love the way it came out. I'm staring at it right now. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe, stay healthy, and above all, stay in. I love you guys. Bye-bye.